Hi, my name is Evan, and today I have another Google Chrome tech tip for you. Today we're going to be focusing on bookmarks. Bookmarks are a great way to quickly get to your favorite websites. And you can see that I've got my bookmarks toolbar enabled here in Google Chrome, and I already have a few bookmarks added. Now if you're unsure how to add a bookmark, let me show you really quick. Let's say that we want to bookmark the website YouTube. I'm going to go to youtube.com, make sure you have the website that you want to bookmark open, and while you are in the tab for that website, you'll go over here to the star icon, and we're going to click bookmark this tab. We can change the name if we'd like, and we can change the destination of the bookmark. Both of these are fine with me. I want to name it YouTube, and I want it in the bookmarks bar. So I'm going to click done, and I can see that it's added a YouTube bookmark. Now, the more bookmarks that I add, the more space will be used up in this relatively blank toolbar right now. So the first tip that I want to show you is how to create a folder. You can create a folder by right-clicking in the bookmarks toolbar and click Add Folder. And I'm just going to rename this folder for now. And then you can click and drag any bookmark that you would like to place in that folder, and it will add it. And now your bookmarks are kind of organized vertically rather than horizontally, and it just saves some space in your bookmarks toolbar. So maybe you have some bookmarks that fall under a certain category. Maybe you have some bookmarks that you use for work. Maybe you have some bookmarks for leisure or entertainment. You could organize those in folders and save some space and really make it a whole lot more organized so you can be more efficient with your web browsing. I don't want these in this folder, so I'm going to remove them. It's easy to pull them out and just click and drag them back out. I can delete the folder, and I have these bookmarks back here. Here is another handy trick that I want to show you. Most websites have these little icons, and they show up here in the tab when it's open, and they also show up in the bookmark toolbar whenever you add a bookmark. And this little icon is called a favicon, and most of the biggest websites that you visit have a favicon, and they're very easily recognizable. I bet if we just had this picture here, most people would be able to identify these as Google, YouTube, ESPN, and Facebook. So one of the things that I've done in my own personal browsing is I have figured out that if I go to edit on the bookmark, I can delete the text for the bookmark and I can still save it. And what that does is it completely shrinks the bookmark down to just the favicon. Okay? So when I do this for all of these bookmarks, it creates a nice clean bookmarks bar with just the pictures, just those little favicon icons. Okay? And I'm going to pull up my work account here because you can see that I have a whole bunch of websites up here at the top that I visit frequently, and they are just the favicon icons. And I love this. It really maximizes the horizontal space that I have in that bookmarks toolbar, and it also just cleans things up. It makes it a lot easier. And I know if I want to go to Google Calendar, there's my calendar. And if I want to go to code.org, this is a website I visit a lot for one of the classes I teach. There it is. If I want YouTube, there it is. Spotify, there it is. And I also have some folders over here for some other things that I use as well. And these are nice because I can click on them and it has all of those bookmarks. You can see that resources folder is just chock full of different resources that I've found for teachers using technology. And that's probably another video that I can make at some point. But my point with this video is this bookmarks bar is actually a very powerful tool that you can use to keep yourself organized in Google Chrome. And the ability to delete the text out of the bookmark and just have that little favicon icon really maximizes the number of things you can have in that toolbar and really cleans it up and makes it look really nice. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope these tech tool videos have been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.